Hi, my name is Vahid. Today I want to show you how easy to use JIBB inside Webex. So to do that, basically you have to go to the control panel again to change your writing surface. So if I go again here, I click on the Lapboard, then I click on my camera preview. Then I have to obviously tilt down my camera to make sure my Lapboard's inside the camera preview. So make sure the whole surface is inside the camera preview, and I click start. As soon as I click start, JIBB automatically detects the Lapboard, as you can see, and tells me to start writing. I'm good to go. I use the black marker here, and my writing again comes on the screen in real time. Simple as that. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and for more, go to our website to watch more tutorial video.